Online fashion stores can make stylish clothes look too good to be true, and Ainsley Blake is one of those popping up in ads with trendy outfits and big discount claims. But the big question is Ainsley Blake a legit clothing store or a fake site you should avoid? Let's find out. So Ainsley Blake presents itself as a fashion brand selling women's apparel, dresses, tops, outerwear, and accessories, often showcased with styled lookbooks and limited time offers. The homepage looks clean, the catalog looks curated, and the prices seem attractive. But remember, looks can be deceiving online. Sleek marketing doesn't guarantee a trustworthy store. So let's look deeper. Independent trust tracker tools point to some warning signs. The Ainsley Blake website domain is very new and ownership details are hidden, both common traits for sites that appear briefly and disappear. Established fashion brands usually have transparent business info. Website scanners that analyze trust, traffic, and reputation give the site low or suspicious risk scores, meaning there's not much verifiable history or credibility. These tools factor in domain age, traffic, volume, and known complaints. Unlike reputable brands that build community on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, etc., Ainsley Blake's visible reach and verified social proof are minimal or unverified. That's a red flag when buying clothes online. Together, these signals lean towards buy with caution rather than trusted established retailer. One of the strongest trust indicators for online stores is independent customer reviews on sites like Trustpilot, Reddit, YouTube, Try-ons, or verified purchase platforms. For Ainsley Blake, there's very little credible user feedback outside the store's own site. No consistent Trustpilot score, no frequent unfiltered hauls, no real-world shopper photos. That's not proof of scam by itself, but it definitely means we have no confirmation that the business delivers as promised. Here's what shoppers often face with new or unverified fashion sites. Products never arrive or arrive months late. Items that look nothing like the photos. Cheap material, wrong size. Customer support that doesn't respond. And returns and refunds are difficult or impossible. Without verifiable reviews and clear business info, these risks become very real possibilities. So is Ainsley Blake legit or fake? With a very new domain, hidden ownership, low trust scores, and no credible third-party reviews, there's not enough evidence to call it dependable. That doesn't automatically make it an outright scam, but it's definitely not a known safe fashion retailer. Our recommendation is to avoid buying big purchases here. If you must try it, use buyer protection payment methods like PayPal, credit card, and order small items first to test shipping and quality. Otherwise, stick to established fashion brands with real verified reviews. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.